This is it right here. These guys have been excited. We're about to test drive it. Get you guys a whole loop around. Reporting live from Modesto with yet another vlog, you guys. Welcome back to yet another video. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Another car. Yes, another car. We're buying another car with no other than the boy Henry and our secretary Fur. Y'all stay tuned to find out what car it is. They got it all, but we're pulling up to the shop right now. We are going to check out a very special car, one that Henry found, and I think is actually pretty dope in person. I personally would own this car. We're going to test it out. We're going to figure this out and see how it goes. All right, you guys, this is it right here. Let's hear it.
Battery might be a little bit low.
We'll give it a quick jump, if anything.
I had it on the fender, but it hasn't been on there for a bit.
Let us know what you guys think. That guy. K.A. the world. You guys crazy, man. We are back with another Datsun. This boy Henry is wild with. But check it. K-Swap 510 or 210, sorry. Y'all stay tuned for the test drive and what's to come. Y'all check it. This is fire though. This is like a classic. I mean, I was pretty concerned. I wanted to buy it myself, but we're gonna see. We're gonna check it out, give you guys a whole rundown, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, so yeah, this is the actual project itself. Henry was the one that actually sourced this one. He found it. I thought it was dope. I would not mind something like this. These guys have been excited. You guys see it right now. We're about to test drive it, get you guys a whole loop around, rundown. But let us know what you guys think. I think this is fire. I would build this. I would drive this for sure, 100%. I'm excited to see how this thing rips on the streets though. Fans are basically manually kicked on right now, but for the most part, it runs, it idles smoothly. It looks amazing. Classic car for sure. We're about to pull it out right now and then go for a quick test drive. See if we can get a bit of a rip on with it. All right, you guys, we're gonna pull it out. Hopefully I don't stall. Quick Datsun for y'all. He said the brakes were a bit squishy, which I don't mind. They are a bit squishy. Small little mirrors compared to anything else that we usually drive. This one's missing that side, but here we go, you guys. We are gone. No turning back now. K-Swapped 210 Datsun. This shit is sick. Yeah, the short shifter is crazy on this. Oh shit, the brakes. Fuck. Dinner friend was like, holy shit. It's been second. Holy shit. Yo, I had to let off for you guys, but let me loop it back around. Holy shit, this thing's got power for the weight to power distribution. Ready? What the fuck? This shit spins first too. I'm gonna try to give you guys a first, second gear pull. This shit is sick, yo. The power to weight is crazy. Holy fuck. This shit. Tuner, I say, fuck it, buy it. Oh my god.
New daily.
This shit is sick. This shit is sick. You guys, damn, this thing rips. First spin, second spin. I mean, yeah, it's on some like, you know, not so sticky tires and all, but holy crap, this thing pulls.
We gone.
Quick test drive for you guys. I already like the car. All right, the pro is gonna be at work now. This guy knows what he's talking about. Si tienes los frenos, right?
Yeah.
You good on the right? Oh, solo que quieras atrás el fit. a drag pack or something, because this shit spins crazy. It's a fun car, but you gotta respect it, because this thing gets loose.
Cool little daily, man.
Cool little daily for sure. This boy Henry's about to be known for Datsuns in the city. I mean, suspension feels smooth, like it doesn't creak too much, you know? It is an older car, but you have your rattles. Nothing crazy though. We do have a sunroof in this one. Yeah. Good find for sure, you guys. Now we just gotta do the whole negotiating and then the whole walk around and everything else after that. Talk to the people.
We made it out the hood.
We made it out the hood, finally. You guys see it. But there you guys have it. Officially official. This boy Henry got himself another Datsun. Not just any ordinary Datsun. K-Swap Datsun.
He's the owner.
He's the owner. Say hi.
Hi.
Di hola. There we go. But here you guys have it. K-Swapped Datsun. First mod on the car.
Tap in.
Tap in. If you need Datsun work, you know who to call. Quick test drive for the guy himself. That guy looks good in it. He's about to go burn some rubber right now. All right, so only thing left now is we're gonna get some food, and then we're gonna give you guys a full rundown on what the owner told us. To start, we got a Sparco steering wheel.
In Mexico.
And Mexico, cause no dash, and a short shifter.
We outside.
And the fastest Datsun driver north of the border. All right, you guys, first official drive as the new owner.
I hope we make it.
I hope we make it. We got roll up windows because no power here. All manual. That's the way it should be. And we have a sunroof. Gutted rear end. Weight reduction. The whole 9 yards. And when I say this thing rips, this thing rips. You guys saw in the video. Henry didn't believe me at first.
I know.
He thought I was doing it for show. No, but this thing you guys saw. If we can get an exterior point of view when he does a pull, you'll see it.
Yeah, we got it.
Thank you, Omar. Take care.
Thank you.
All right, you guys, pulling up to the gas station. First official fill up, because we have no way of telling. I think you're on empty, bro.
It might be.
I might be on empty, but we're gonna fill up. So big things about the car. Currently, we're in Modesto right now. We are gonna be filling up full tank, because like I was saying, we have no idea of telling how much gas we have at the moment, just because there's still some wiring to be done. But full tank, straight back to the house, back to the city, and then from there we'll give you guys a full rundown. One of my favorite parts about this car, apart from the short shifter, is the exhaust setup. We'll get more into it, but just know that the previous owner did put quite some money into it. TIG welds, V-band clamps, and all that good stuff, so it makes it super easy. That being said though, we're gonna fill up and then we should be on our way. All right, you guys, so key factor on this one, it has a S13 fuel tank and it's pissing right now. But nothing a little bit of tightening up doesn't fix. It's a project car. Next stop, home. Houston, we have a problem. Last time this windshield wiper broke, or not, it fell off. This one's trying to fall off. Manual windshield wipers at its finest. That's a classic project for you. Well, we're back, you guys. We just cut off the radiator fans because they're not hardwired yet. Basically got to manually prime them and all. But tuner, talk to the people. What are we looking at?
Datsun / 240.
Datsun / 240. Datsun chassis, KA swapped from a 240. I believe it's engine, transmission, a couple other components. Not 100% sure. I forget the brand of these headers, but look at that. They like fit perfectly. Obviously some custom work, like not fully solid motor mounts. There's polyurethane, polyurethane at the bottom, which obviously, you know, compensates for a bit of the vibration and all. But overall, I mean, you can't beat it.
For the price,
For the price, I can't. I mean, we got it for a steal. Interior, of course, could use some work, but you got the basics. Car runs, all gears work, reverse, everything. You guys can see our standalone wiring harness over there, which works, runs, and everything. We do have some miscellaneous parts in the rear. Owner said these are the OEM S13 seats, and they fit like a glove, so can't complain on that end.
Pretty legal.
And most importantly, street legal. But like Tuner was saying, for the price, you cannot beat it. We basically got this car for a steal. We basically, what we paid for is basically, we paid what the engine is. If anything, less, because of all the labor work and everything. First things first, for sure though, I think we're gonna be needing some tires, because we may need to burn these out for a video or something. Quick walk around. Oh yeah, let me get to the exhaust. Quick look at it. Full exhaust all the way back. Magna resonator, Magna Flow resonator, I would say. Crazy, V-banded. But I mean, practically, that's pretty much it. Kind of scary, to be honest, being that it's like raw power, meaning like no LSD, no traction control, none of that stuff. It's just straight raw power. Diff is welded. We may be swapping that out just because, you know, in the city, we're not really about that tandem life, that drift life, even though it could be a perfect drift car. Let us know what you guys think. Definitely a dope come up.
I got a daily and I got a project car.
It must be nice. I want to be like this guy.
E46 for sale.
It's now for real, tap in. Yeah. That's all she wrote, you guys. Till the next one, y'all stay tuned for the next video. Maybe in Mexico runs with that one or something, but it is what it is. Until the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep it authentic, you guys. Peace.